So for the hypothesis testing on two population means, we use question number 15 found on the survey, asking respondents the exact amount and how much they're willing to spend to buy their cell phones. So with that, we had our statistical hypothesis, which is our null hypothesis, our claim stating that there is no significant difference between the average amount that the females of DLSU Manila Senior High School ABM and HUME students are willing to spend to buy cell phones and the average amount that the males of DLSU Manila Senior High School ABM and HUME students are willing to spend to buy cell phones. As for the alternative hypothesis, it states that there is a significant difference between the average amount that the females of DLSU Manila Senior High School ABM and HUME students are willing to spend to buy cell phones and the average amount that the males of DLSU Manila Senior High School ABM and HUME students are willing to spend to buy cell phones. In order to test whether or not to reject the statistical hypothesis, which is the null hypothesis, we had our test hypothesis through the use of the software PHstat for pooled variance t-test. So this is the summarized data. So as you can see, the t-test statistic is 0.2533. Then the lower critical value is negative 2.0106. The upper critical value is 2.0106. Since the t-test statistic does not fall in any of the critical values, we do not reject the null hypothesis. Provided that our claim is a null hypothesis, then our claim is correct. Therefore, there is sufficient evidence to claim that there is no significant difference between the average amount that the females of DLSU Manila Senior High School ABM and HUME students are willing to spend to buy their cell phones and the average amount that the males of DLSU Manila Senior High School ABM and HUME students are willing to spend to buy their cell phones.